Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on the application of Brave. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Brave app and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will go to Play Store. You search about the application of Brave app, and here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you